cloud era is causing organizations to review expectations of digital resilience, simplicity, and flexibility, and completely reset expectations of data control, application modernization, security, and governance and compliance. Multiple studies suggest that most organizations are going hybrid to get the best of both worlds, on-premises and in the cloud. Your journey to cloud needs to have a unique approach. Fujitsu and Nutanix will accompany you on your journey to achieve your cloud vision with our approach. The right cloud for the right workload. And to achieve an optimum hybrid cloud experience as part of your organization's data-driven transformation, you need a software-defined infrastructure based on hyper-converged infrastructure, HCI building blocks. The Fujitsu PRIMEFLEX for Nutanix Enterprise Cloud-based XF systems are pre-integrated, pre-tested solutions that are designed to serve as a strong, flexible foundation for your data-driven requirements across a wide range of use cases. The servers are designed to offer less power consumption and footprint in the data center, complemented by service offerings including implementation and technical support with a single point of contact will ensure the best hybrid experience for you. In addition, Fujitsu Uscale delivers a flexible cloud-like experience on-premises with scalable pay-per-use capabilities and a cloud-like consumption model. The solution offers software-defined simplicity to modern workloads based on VDI, containers, IoT, AI/ML, business-critical apps, and many more. If you're embarking on your digital transformation journey, with cloud being an integral part of that transformation, you're in the right place. No other vendor takes on more responsibility for a seamless lifecycle experience of your hybrid cloud infrastructure across deployment, operation, and maintenance. Contact us to find out how we can support and accelerate your journey. Explore more at fujitsu.com/Nutanix.